Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change spawn point, or you wanna change your home. Let me show you how you can do that. Like whenever you are get back to game, you should be spawned there. How you'll able to do that, let me show you. So first of all, this is my default home, and if I want to change it, I just need to open the map and you should go to your home. Like this is the one I have right here, so I can simply fast travel first. So you have to go to your home first, and as soon as you go to your home, you'll able to get the option to enter in that house. So let me enter, and now once you enter the house, you'll able to see the option set as home. So let it load first. Okay, there you go, we have the option for set as home. So simply select that, select yes, and that way your spawn point will change, or this is now your home. Now let me exit from here and let's see where we spawn. Okay, there you go, we spawn on the new house. So this is exactly how you'll able to change spawn point, or this is exactly how you'll able to shift to your new home. Like whenever you restart the game, you'll able to respawn here. So it is that easy to change your respawn point in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.